It will be extremely safe. With the battery pack low in the floor, it's going to have a very low center of gravity. So the Model Y, we expect it will be the safest mid-size SUV in the world by far.
Since its first days, safety has been one of Tesla's top priorities for its electric cars. The company's first products, the Model S and Model X, both achieved 5-star safety ratings. And then the less expensive Model 3 not only performed the same impressive results, but also achieved the lowest probability of injury of any vehicle ever tested by National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Now it's the turn of Tesla's best-selling SUV, which is developed largely on the same platform as the Model 3. At the Model Y's unveil event, Elon Musk talked about their expectations about the car's safety ratings, and after about 2 years, the expectations are met. The Model Y achieved a 5-star rating in every category and subcategory tested by NHTSA, including the lowest rollover risk of any SUV ever tested, which are responsible for the highest percentage of serious injuries. For comparison, the 2020 all-wheel drive Volvo XC60 has about twice as much a risk of rollover than the Model Y. In general, electric cars have a very low center of gravity due to the placement of the battery packs and electric motors low down in the vehicles. We have already seen the footage released by Tesla where the Model X managed to avoid rolling over by returning to its upright position. In the frontal crash test scenario, the vehicle crashes into a fixed barrier at 35 miles per hour. With its all-electric architecture and powertrain design, the Model Y distributes crash forces around the cabin and away from vehicle occupants, greatly reducing the risk of injury. To accommodate its higher mass and larger cabin space as an SUV, Model Y's body structure is fortified and strengthened even further than the Model 3, and considering that the Model Y's structure now includes the world's largest casting, the intrusion into the cabin is mitigated to a maximal degree, enabling the advanced restraint systems to deploy and provide even more occupant protection. The Model Y performed impressive results in the side barrier and side pole crash test scenarios as well. Since, unlike frontal crashes, there is little room for crumple zones in a side impact, Tesla uses its own pillar structures and side sills to absorb as much energy as possible in a very short distance. These structures, alongside the vehicle's rigid body and fortified battery architecture, further reduce and prevent compartment intrusion, thanks to which the side airbags have more space to inflate and cushion the occupants inside. So, the front and rear crumple zones and optimized side structures enable the Model Y to manage crash energy very efficiently, absorbing the worst of the impact from occupants. As to the performance of driver assistance technologies, the Model Y is expected to achieve the same impressive results as the Model 3, which, according to Euro NCAP, is able to avoid a collision in all the adaptive cruise control test scenarios and requires automatic emergency braking interventions only in the most critical cut-in and cut-out tests. So don't forget to check the safety ratings when buying a car. And see you in the next video.